In this video, we'll show you how to get rid of these fake viruses, alerts and pop-ups on your Android phone. So the first thing you need to do is head to your default web browser. Now tap on the tabs icon at the top. Now tap the three dot icon and then select this close all tabs option. Once you have closed all your tabs, tap the three dot icon again. Now scroll down and then select settings. In here you will need to scroll down and then tap on site settings. Here you will need to tap on notifications. Now here you should see a list of websites that are allowed to send you notification. It's possible that one of these websites is sending you fake virus pop-ups. So all you have to do is go through each of them and then turn off notification permission for them. Once you have done that, they should all appear under this not allowed section. You can also select this don't allow sites to send notification to disable notification permission for all the websites in the future. Once you have done this, another thing you need to do is go to the settings app on your phone. Now scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. Now here you should see a list of installed apps on your Android phone. All you have to do is go through each of these apps one by one and then find any app that you don't recognize. If you see an app that you don't remember installing or seems sketchy, all you have to do is tap on it and then uninstall it from your phone. So this will help you get rid of any apps that may be sending you those fake viruses pop-ups. So make sure to do that. So go through all your installed apps and uninstall any sketchy apps. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.